Yo les amis, j'espère que vous allez tous très bien. Moi en tout cas, bah écoutez, ça va nickel comme d'habitude, vous connaissez la chanson. Alors si on se retrouve aujourd'hui, c'est très simple, vous l'avez certainement vu dans le titre. Aujourd'hui on teste un 250 CR. C'est pas dans mon habitude, etc. de tourner des vidéos au niveau cross. Mais là je me suis dit pourquoi pas tenter un petit peu, voir un peu ce que ça donne, etc. Et franchement, bah j'ai eu des bons retours, des gens en story Instagram comme vous pouvez le voir ici. Vous avez été très nombreux à me dire que ça vous intéresserait. Alors bah pourquoi pas faire cette vidéo. Surtout n'hésitez pas avant de commencer cette vidéo à me lâcher un maximum de likes, à vous abonner à la chaîne et surtout à me dire ce que vous en pensez en commentaire. Et sur ce, on passe directement à la vidéo.
Trying to do this one day at a time. I put my whole life into these lines. Yeah, nothing can stop us now. We don't want a problem now. Yes, I came a long way since I was a problem child. Same guy I always been, trying to make my mama proud. Reaching for the stars, praying I won't ever touch the ground. I gotta do this now while the sun's still shining. No matter how you get it, gotta see the silver lining. Remember when we came up, everybody tried to clown us. Now the same people trying to say that they the ones that found us. All the minutes, all the hours, all the tears we devoured. Now we up, feel the power screaming out the world is down. Close to my voice, looking at me through the glass. I don't gotta lie to you, I don't gotta wear a mask. I just gotta be me, stay true to my last dying day. I did everything I could to make it last. That we want and nothing can stop us. I got the ball, not gonna drop it. No one can take this away from us. That's a promise. Can't let this moment slip away. Can't have that on my conscience. And I lost my way. I was unfaithful, but it's a new day, and I'm so grateful. I still got a chance to show you that I'm worth it. Can't take back what I did, 'cause you know that I'm not perfect. Hold my head up to the sky, through the clouds I'll survive. No regrets, I'm alive. No more tears, let's get high. Remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Just know that I love you and memories will never die. This is all I've ever known. This stage is my throne. This is where I belong. You'll never feel alone. Just remember this day and everything that I said. The sun will still shine long after I'm dead. My voice looking at me through the glass. I don't gotta lie to you, I don't gotta wear a mask. I just gotta be me and stay true to my last dying day. I did everything I could to make it back.